Actually, vocabulary, enhancing our vocabulary, it depends on two parts. The first one is we can say by reading or listening. Okay, then we can come across so many words, and then we can get so many words in our mind. But the most important thing is how we can use all those words. So the second, right now.
Yes, ma'am. So thank God we have connected.
Yes. Actually, I don't know
Yes.
the time. The first time when you just received my message and you just joined the call. At that time, I don't know why my Skype was not working. So then again, I installed that app. Then again, I installed the app. That's why right now I'm available here.
Okay, it's okay. Don't worry. I can understand. So,
Yes.
ma'am, I know very well about you because
First of all, just
I
let me
have been
greet.
following. Yes,
First of all, let me greet. Most welcome and very good morning. And how
yes,
are you doing?
very
First of all,
sorry,
just
ma'am.
let me know.
Yes, actually, you are inspirations for me. I have been following you for a long time. When I started learning English and when I started creating channel.
So
So,
nice of you.
yes.
Okay,
Actually,
so
I
how are
have
you
lots
doing?
of things, yes, learned from you.
So how are you doing today?
Actually, my day is going on good.
Okay, because
So,
it's Sunday and Sunday is always a busy day.
no, actually, I have lots of work, lots of time.
Okay, it's nice.
Yes, yes.
And
I,
but
yes, please.
yeah, I was saying that means since we are meeting for the very first time, so could you please introduce for me because I'm so eager to know about you.
Okay, okay. Actually, ma'am, my name is Rajni and I am from Himachal Pradesh. As well, I am small YouTuber because I am running the YouTube channel and
Don't
I
don't
am
add this small YouTuber. No one is here as a चल जाओ. No one is here as a big YouTuber or small YouTuber. YouTuber is a YouTuber.
okay. Actually,
Yes.
yes, as well, I am homemaker, housewife. And if I would like to about my study, I have completed MCom. That's it about me.
It's not
Yes.
that's it. It's a very so many things in it. You have completed your studies and what about your profession?
Actually, I don't have any work right now.
Then
I
what
am
is the
totally
reason?
free at my
Then what is the reason why do you want to learn English? Why you have been working on it?
I have some problem because of my family's issue.
Okay. So that's why you want to show them.
Yes, ma'am.
Make yourself independent. You want to just show them what I am
Ye-
and what can I do.
Yes, actually
Don't
speaking
consider me.
English. Yes,
Okay, don't.
speaking English. Yes, please, ma'am. Continue, please, first.
Yeah, means I was just saying that you just want to show them that don't consider me that I am just a woman. Now I am not a woman. I am a superwoman.
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes. I will understand kind of this.
yes,
So,
yes. So just tell
so
me something about your journey.
actually, I think I am learning English at alone. I don't have any partner and any environment because I
The
belong
same
to
with me.
small area like you. Yes, I know very.
Every housewife who is nowadays who is on the journey of learning speaking English language.
Yes,
So all of them they are facing the same problem. There is no one,
yes.
even our husband doesn't support us.
Okay. So I
Yes.
know very well. I watched lots of video. So I know
Okay.
very well. Yes, and because when I started learning English, so that times I asked every person, please, could you help me for improving English? But nobody helped me. I can understand because nobody have more much time. So I think so. Then I started learning English myself,
On your
and then
own.
I
On
started
your
watching
own.
your video. Yes, I started
Okay.
watching your video. So then I decided I should learn English yourself. So then I decided.
And you have also proved that right now you are speaking English. It means you have proved this. Yeah, it's
Yes,
okay
exactly.
because the end goal is so far, but at least you have achieved this much. It's a very good thing for you, and it's also kind of opportunity that you have do this. And just because of learning this language now, not only as a housewife, we can say we are living in India, and now each and every woman can easily connect through this app, or just because of this YouTube. Now we are just interacting with each other, and English is kind of a language through which we can just distribute our messages. We can easily convey our messages. We can easily get to know about, just like you live in Himachal, so definitely you would tell me so many things about your place, about because Himachal is a kind of a hill station, or which is full of hill station. Yeah, I
Yes,
also
ma'am.
went. I also been there, Himachal, only one time, single time, because there is a place Nana Devi in Himachal
Okay, ma'am.
Pradesh.
One
Yeah,
temple.
I visited
Yes.
that. Yes, I visited that place.
Actually,
Yeah.
here I live nearby Pathankot. Do you know Pathankot?
Yes, I have
Yes.
heard about.
Yes, I belong to Pathankot and nearby border of Punjab and next one Jammu. Actually, ma'am, my native place in Himachal, but I got married in Jammu.
Okay.
Yes.
You're married in Jammu.
Yes, I got married in Jammu.
Right now you are living in Pathankot.
Yes, Himachal. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Last
So
part of Himachal.
Pathankot, Pathankot is in Himachal Pradesh.
No Punjab, ma'am. Pathankot is
Pathankot
from
is in
Punjab.
Punjab. Okay, so it
Yes.
means right now, currently you're living in Punjab.
Yeah. No Himachal.
Okay.
Actually, last part of Himachal where I live.
Okay, okay, that's nice. So nice.
Yes.
So, do you have any question? Then you can ask, or if you have any topic to speak on, then we can also speak on a particular topic.
No, actually, ma'am, I have lots of questions to ask.
Okay.
Please let me know how to improve our vocabulary because I have lots of watched your video and I have learned lots of things from your video, even English structures and words. So please,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
tell me about vocabulary because I can speak English well. I can manage when I start speaking, but sometimes I get stuck because of vocabulary.
Actually, vocabulary, enhancing our vocabulary, it depends on two parts. The first one is, we can say, by reading or listening. Okay, then we can come across so many words, and then we can get so many words in our mind. But the most important thing is how we can use all those words. So the second one is, we need to practice. Okay, if you learn only one word in a single day, and just like you are having session with me, you are interacting with me, so while interacting, just keep this word, just jot down this word in a notebook, and in this way
Okay.
always keep with you, and just try to use that word in your conversation. And if
Okay.
you will make conscious practices, definitely you will start using that word in your in your speaking, in your daily life. And
Okay.
then after some time, then if you will keep a practice at least 2 or 3 days, definitely it would become the part of your conversation.
Okay. Okay. I will try, ma'am. So, ma'am,
Means
let me now.
always,
Yes.
means one thing is, if you learn a single word, if you are learning single word in a single day, okay,
Okay.
just first of all, just jot down that word on a notebook and make some 3 or 4 sentences. If you are able to, then make. Then if you're not able to, just find it out from Google. You can easily get to know about all
Yes.
those things. And always, while having session or while doing practicing, if you are doing practice with your own, okay, there is no one, you are doing practice alone at home, always have that notebook along with you, and just have a look and just try to make sentence by using that particular word. So in this way
Okay.
it will become part of your vocab.
Okay. Okay. I will try. Actually, ma'am, when I learn as a single word, as a learn actually because when I try to use my conversation, so that times I forget. So when
So
I use in my conversation, so that times I learned very easily.
that's why I'm saying that always keep that notebook along with you while having
Okay.
session, so that you
Okay.
can have a look on that word, and you can make conscious effort to use that word in your conversation, one or single sentence, at least not more than that, at least 1 or 2 sentence.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I will
And
try.
there is
Yes, I will try
there is
next
a word,
session. Yes.
yeah, there is a word like encounter.
Okay.
Actually, finding a good time and finding a quiet place, it's too difficult here. And sometimes even yesterday I couldn't do even a single session just because of network. There was so much network issues. I was not able to post even video on my second channel because it was very bad network.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I can understand, ma'am. Yes, actually, you have uploaded the video recently. I think second part of, I think of, I because
Challenge,
recently
30
you
day
have
challenge.
uploaded and you given the vocabulary words in your
Yes.
video. So
Yep.
I
I video.
screenshot. Yes,
Okay.
I did screenshot. Yes, because I am learning lots of things from you. Seriously, to be
Yeah.
honest.
Actually, to be honest, I'm just telling you, means when I started my journey, so at that time I had no idea about what I'm going to do. Even I had no idea. I was just thinking that, yeah, now I'm going to start my learning journey. But just because of the name of my channel, which I have put just like English with the Hati ma'am, so just because of these people, they started considering me that I am a kind of a lady who has learned all kind of things, and now she is going to teach. But no, this is not the truth. I am also just like you. I have just started my journey and now I'm working on it. That's it.
Uh,
I'm not here as a very professional.
okay, no, you actually, ma'am, you are doing the work very well.
Yes. Because
Actually,
the
ma'am,
thing is that,
yes, actually, ma'am, I have to go because my battery is getting run out.
oh
So
my God.
yes, we will meet next time.
Yes. Definitely, definitely.
You don't have more much time. I am seeing.
No, there's no, miss, I have time, but the lady who is sitting behind me, he has to do all kind of work and I'm sitting in between the way.
Okay, actually, ma'am,
Yeah.
my battery is getting run out, so that's why I have to go.
Okay,
So
okay.
because nice to meet you, and seriously, you are inspirations for me.
And your
So
smile is so cute.
thank you, ma'am.
Just like the
Thank,
apples.
okay,
Your
thank you.
expression, your cheeks.
Okay, thank you. Nice to talk to you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye
Okay. Bye.
bye. Bye bye.